Hey guys, we're working on the next portion of history. So we've got our extended notes here, which I'm going to move on up. Grab my own notes because I never stop using those. All right. One of the next things we want to talk about, if you think about it, we just talked about the history of a computer. Cool. So let's talk about what is a computer. Okay, all computers are quite simply four things. Okay, to be a computer, the first thing, input. Okay, we're talking about an electronic device. If you want to do something, you got to input. Okay, great example. Input. What's the first thing you want to do? Picture of the kids. To get in, what do I have to do? I have to input something. Just saying. Okay. But when you're thinking about a program, you want to input data. You want to put in information. Okay. Go back to your binary code. You got to put something in first. Okay. Once you input it, you got to have some storage. Okay. You're going to put something in, you got to have a place to store it. All right. Because if we think about, I got a desktop sitting right here. We input information into that and it stores it. It may not do anything with it yet, but it's going to gather that and it's going to hold on to it. Now, here is where the big step comes, is even if you're just typing, okay, let's say that. If you type on a keyboard, you're inputting, the computer's going to remember that, but then it's also going to process it. Okay, it's going to do something with it. Okay, and how do you know it's done something with it? Well, because we have an output or an outcome. Normally, you see that on your screen. Okay, and that's just in typing. That's not even actually running an actual program. Okay, so when we look at this, all computers, get my hand in the screen, are four things: input, storage, process, and output.